Hello, my name is Katrien van der Schueren. I own Voila Creative Studio and I want to welcome you to my home. This is our 1920s Spanish bungalow that we filled with all of my own creations and finds over the years. I can't wait to share my house with you, so let's go and have a tour. When we moved to the United States, I started as a picker. I would find vintage finds in Europe and bring them over. You can see a couple here, like this chandelier, which is from the 1970s, this golden table, and this dine lettering, which is vintage theater lettering that I found and turned it into an art piece here. You also see some chairs that I made myself. These are hand-dyed with the British flag on it. It is a great family gathering area. We have a lot of talks here and everybody finds their space and their seat. The living room is the place where we go after dinner. This living room is also my office. I love to sit in the couch on my computer and work and see everybody pass. I wanted to make furniture that also was art. My favorite piece is the round circle that you see there and is filled with vintage clocks. When I put this piece together, some alarms still went off. Across from me is one of my favorite chairs. It's a chair full of quotes that I love. This chair, I didn't make it myself, but I love the colors and the fact that it's like so many knots. Must take hours and hours and hours to make. I'm not the only creative one in this family, my daughter is too. Let me show you the amazing stuff that she did in her bedroom. What I love about my daughter's room is that it's full of her personality. She uses every inch of it to be creative. These are all different shades that I found in England and that she used to make a spider light. The frames on the walls are very eclectic. It partly has pieces that were made by my studio and it has photos of people she loves. For her desk chair we used burlap, which feels a little rough, and then all kinds of smooth pinks that feel different to the touch. And finally, the masterpiece is Fabio. I think my daughter has exceptional taste, and now let's go look at my bedroom, which is way less fun. I wanted my bedroom to feel like a place where I could come to rest and read a book, and it had to have my personality. So we brought in a lot of European history. You can see a backdrop that was used by the Paris Opera House. We antiqued a chandelier. And as a picker, you find the weirdest things. One time I found a whole container full of mannequins and body parts of mannequins. And so I created a lot of pieces like that. This room is always changing. I bring in other pieces, like this piece that is behind me, which I just made. But tomorrow it can be something else, and so it keeps on inspiring me in different ways. So I really wanted this to be my happy place, and so we gave it pops of pink, and everything feels really natural and connected to the nature. And the place that gets a lot of attention is the pool area. And it's surrounded by sculptures, by mirrors, so when you're swimming in the pool, from every angle, you'll have a lot to look at. Thank you for joining me today. I had a lot of fun showing you my house. I'm now going to take a swim and enjoy the rest of the day. I hope you do too.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?